In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Hunter Email Finder to Chrome. If you want a quick way to access Hunter while browsing the web, installing the Chrome extension is the easiest method. This is especially useful if you regularly visit company websites and want to look up professional email information more efficiently. I'll walk you through the full setup process from installation to getting it ready to use. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. This method is designed for the desktop version of Chrome, so make sure you're not trying to do it from a mobile browser. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do that by searching for it in Google or by navigating there directly if you already know the page. When you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar and type in Hunter. Email Finder extension. Make sure you select the official extension by hunter.io. This is important because you want to install the correct tool and avoid similarly named extensions that may not be the official one. After you find the right extension, click on it to open the details page. You should see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click that button to start the installation. Chrome will then show a pop-up asking you to confirm the action. In that pop-up, click Add Extension. At that point, Chrome will download and install the extension automatically, and this usually only takes a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, look to the top right corner of your Chrome browser and click the puzzle piece icon. This opens the Extensions menu, where you'll see a list of the extensions currently installed in your browser. Find Hunter in that list. If you plan to use it often, you can pin it so it stays visible in your toolbar for faster access. That can save time later, especially if you use it during research or outreach tasks. After that, open the Hunter extension. You'll be prompted to log in or create a free account. Keep in mind that Hunter does require an account before you can use the extension. The free plan includes a limited number of searches per month, so it's helpful to use those searches carefully. One more thing to know is that Hunter works best on company or business websites, where it can identify relevant professional email patterns and contact information more effectively. And that's it. Once you've installed the extension, pinned it if needed, and signed in, Hunter Email Finder is ready to use in Chrome.